Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Fitness Hub. Today, we're diving into something game-changing, how to make money with AI in 2024. AI is creating unique opportunities for side hustles that anyone can jump into, even with minimal tech knowledge. We're talking about the hottest AI tools and strategies to unlock new income streams this year. Let's uncover the best AI-powered side hustles of 2024 and help you level up your finances. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the most accessible AI side hustles out there. Content creation. We're talking blog posts, social media captions, website copy, even full-blown ebooks. All crafted with the help of AI. Apps like ChatGPT-4, Copy.ai, and Jasper are using advanced language models to generate human-quality content. The best part? You don't need to be a coding whiz to use these tools. Most of them have user-friendly interfaces that make it super simple to input your ideas and get high-quality content in return. Businesses and entrepreneurs are starving for good content. They need a constant stream of fresh blog posts, engaging social media updates, and compelling website copy to stay ahead of the game. By mastering these AI content creation tools, you can position yourself as a go-to source for high-quality content. You can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or even reach out directly to businesses in need. Pro tip: niche down. Specializing allows you to charge premium prices for your AI-powered content. With AI by your side, you can become a content creation powerhouse. Next up, let's talk about another visual side hustle that's being revolutionized by AI graphic design. With AI-powered design tools, anyone can create stunning visuals. Platforms like Canva with AI and Midjourney are putting professional-level design capabilities in the hands of everyday users. Need a sleek logo for your brand? Canva's AI can generate dozens of options based on your preferences. Want to create eye-catching social media posts? Midjourney can help you craft unique and engaging visuals in minutes. These AI tools do the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on the creative vision. The demand for high-quality visuals has exploded in recent years. By offering your AI-powered design services, you can tap into this massive market and start generating serious income. You can set up shop on freelance platforms, create your own online portfolio, or even partner with local businesses. The possibilities are endless. With AI on your side, you can unleash your inner designer. Turn your creative vision into a profitable side hustle. Let's move on to a side hustle that's absolutely exploding right now: video editing and voiceovers. With the rise of YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, the demand for high-quality video content has never been greater. Traditional video editing can be time-consuming and technically challenging. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. Tools like Runway ML for editing and Synthesia for voiceovers are changing the video creation game. Imagine being able to edit scenes, enhance colors, add text overlays, and even generate realistic voiceovers in multiple languages, all with the help of AI. Runway ML allows you to do some pretty mind-blowing stuff, like removing objects from videos and generating realistic animations. And with Synthesia, you can create professional quality voiceovers without ever having to step foot in a recording booth. By offering your AI-powered video editing and voiceover services, you can tap into a massive market. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can start charging premium prices for your services. AI is making it easier than ever to break into the world of video editing and voiceovers. Alright, let's be real, who couldn't use an extra pair of hands? Or in this case, an AI-powered assistant to help manage their workload? Platforms like Replica and Amy by X.AI are using AI to automate and streamline everyday tasks. Imagine having an AI assistant that can schedule appointments, manage your inbox, book travel arrangements, and even handle basic customer service inquiries. Small business owners, entrepreneurs, and busy professionals are often drowning in administrative tasks. By mastering AI virtual assistant platforms, you can position yourself as a time-saving guru. You can offer services like inbox management, appointment scheduling, travel planning, social media management, and even basic customer support. You can often manage these tasks remotely, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere with an internet connection. If you're organized, efficient, and love the idea of helping others streamline their lives, becoming an AI virtual assistant could be the perfect side hustle for you. AI-driven market research. Become a data-driven decision maker. Let's talk about a side hustle that's all about data, insights, and helping businesses make smarter decisions. AI-driven market research. In today's data-driven world, businesses need to understand their target audience, track industry trends, and analyze competitor strategies to stay ahead of the curve. AI-powered market research tools provide businesses with the insights they need to make informed decisions. Platforms like MarketMuse and Crimson Hexagon use AI to analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate actionable insights. These tools can help businesses understand consumer sentiment, track brand mentions, analyze competitor strategies, and even predict future market trends. Many small and medium-sized businesses simply don't have the resources or expertise to utilize these tools effectively. By mastering AI-driven market research tools, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to businesses looking to gain a competitive edge. You can offer services like market analysis, competitor research, customer segmentation, and even trend forecasting. This is a high-demand field with the potential for significant income. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for data-driven insights that can help them make informed decisions and drive growth. AI in e-commerce. Become an e-commerce conversion wizard. Let's dive into the world of e-commerce, where AI is changing the game for online retailers. AI-powered product recommendation engines are the secret weapon behind those you might also like, and customers who bought this also bought suggestions. Platforms like Dynamic Yield and Clerk.io analyze browsing behavior, purchase history, and demographic data to recommend products that are highly relevant to each individual shopper. E-commerce businesses are obsessed with increasing sales and improving customer satisfaction. By mastering these tools, you can offer your services to e-commerce businesses looking to boost their bottom line. You can help them set up and optimize their recommendation engines, analyze customer data, and develop strategies to increase conversions and average order value. This is a results-driven field, which means you can command premium prices for your services. If you're passionate about e-commerce, love analyzing data, and have a knack for understanding customer behavior, this could be the perfect AI-powered side hustle for you. AI chatbots. Be the customer service superhero. Let's talk about a side hustle that's all about automation, efficiency, and providing exceptional customer service. AI-powered chatbots. Platforms like ManyChat and ChatGPT for Business are making it easier than ever to create sophisticated chatbots without needing a degree in computer science. These tools allow you to build conversational flows, integrate with popular messaging platforms, and even personalize the chatbot's responses to create a more human-like experience. Many small and medium-sized businesses recognize the value of chatbots but simply don't have the time or expertise to build and maintain them. By mastering AI chatbot platforms, you can offer your services to businesses looking to enhance their customer support, automate their sales processes, and free up their human agents to focus on more complex issues. You can help businesses design, build, and implement chatbots across various channels, including their website, social media platforms, and even messaging apps. You can also offer ongoing maintenance, optimization, and analytics reporting to ensure the chatbot is performing at its best. This is a scalable side hustle. Once you've built a few successful chatbots, you can leverage your experience and portfolio to attract more clients and grow your business. There you have it. 7 amazing AI-powered side hustles you can start in 2024. Whether you're tech-savvy or just getting started, these tools make it easy to dive into the world of AI and create additional income. Remember, the key is to find a niche that excites you. Master the AI tools available, and then market your skills to the world. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit subscribe, like, and share it with someone who's ready to embrace AI. Let's make 2024 the year of smart side hustles. Thanks for watching.